In this video, I'll guide you through how to create tasks in ClickUp using the simplest and most reliable method available. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what happens behind the scenes, and why this approach will save you time as your workspace grows. Let's start with where to look. When you're inside a list view in ClickUp, your tasks are usually grouped by status, such as to do, in progress, or complete. Under each of these status groups, you'll see a bar at the very bottom that says plus new task. This bar is your main tool for quickly adding tasks right where they belong. To create a new task, move your cursor to the status where you want the task to live, for example, under to do. Then click on the plus new task bar at the bottom of that group. The moment you click it, ClickUp will open a new task row or task window, depending on your layout settings, ready for you to type in the task name and any other details. What's really helpful about using this plus new task bar is that the task automatically inherits that list's custom fields and statuses. In practical terms, this means you don't have to recreate settings every time you add something new. If your list has custom fields like priority, due date, client, or estimate, those same fields will be available on the new task right away. You can simply fill them in instead of setting them up from scratch. The same thing happens with statuses. Because you clicked under a specific status group like to do, the task is created with that status already selected. You don't need to change it manually or worry about it going to the wrong place. This keeps your workflow organized and consistent, especially when you're working with a team or managing a lot of tasks. After you click the plus new task bar, start by giving your task a clear descriptive name. This makes it easy to scan your list later and quickly understand what each task is about. Once you've named it, you can open the task fully to add more details such as a description, assignees, due dates, and any relevant attachments. All of these will sit on top of the custom fields that were already inherited from the list. If you've invested time customizing your list with specific fields and statuses that match your process, always use the plus new task bar inside that list under the right status group. This keeps everything aligned with your existing setup and reduces errors like forgetting to set a field or choosing an incorrect status. Over time, this small habit of creating tasks from the plus new task bar at the bottom of a status group will help you stay organized without extra effort. Your tasks will consistently follow the same structure, your fields will always be in place, and your workflow will feel smoother and more predictable. That's all there is to it. Navigate to your list, find the status group you want, click the plus new task bar at the bottom, and let ClickUp automatically handle the custom fields and statuses for you.